Yeah. You're such a good boy. You vacuum and you wipe. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah. Nice and clean now, huh? Nice and, ooh, there's an envelope. I was trying to get the color earlier. Oh yes, under the rug. Yes, under the rug. Here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. What a good 1-year-old. Oh, you're nodding your head. You approve, huh? You approve it's clean enough? Yeah. All done? Yay! Thank you. Yes, this is a paper towel. Oh yes, thank you. Yeah. Oh, under the chair too, thank you. It's your trash and our recycle stuff. Oh, be careful, don't hit the... Careful, careful. Olivia, can you say tut? Okay, not. Oh, it's good, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.